about bubbles. Bubbles are so beautiful today. Blowing bubbles in the sunshine. Even a busy day can feel so fine. Wave my worries away. Hey, 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 bubbles. Catch a bubble on my finger. Hold my breath if it will linger. Wave my worries away. Hey, hey, hey. Children reaching, children laughing, stretch their hands to the sky. There is magic in the moment when the bubbles float by. Bubbles, blowing bubbles in the bathtub with my baby and his rubber duck. Laugh our worries away. Hey, 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 bubbles, blowing bubbles in a traffic jam. Roll down the window of the minivan. Laugh our worries away. Hey, hey, hey. People puzzling, people staring, crane their necks to the sky. Then relax, 'cause there is magic when the bubbles float by. Got smile, bubbles. Take my breath away and drift so high that I may breathe upon the clouds that fly across the sun sometimes. Everybody take your bubble and let it lift you up. Take my breath, drift up high, breathe upon the clouds that fly, make them smile. Make them smile, make them smile. Let's lift them up. Take my breath, drift up high, breathe upon the clouds that fly and make them smile. Make them smile, make them smile. Smile. Oh, everybody, let's put our bubbles back inside the little pool right here.
Good job.
Very good job.
Come on, Grace.
Well, let's sing a little bit of a faster song. And
girl.
I've got an idea of something to spice it up with. Let's get out some ribbon wands.
Good idea.
Oh, you know, you can make a rhythm wand at home if you wanted to. Here's one, here's one. Maybe you have a princess wand, or maybe you have Tinker Toys, and maybe your mom and dad could help you attach some ribbons or strips of cloth to make a ribbon wand just like this one. I hope you'll join us while we go all the way around the mulberry bush. We're gonna shake it up and then make some little circles.
Ooh, I like the circles.
There we go. Let's all make circles. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we reach up high to the sky. This is the way we reach up high so early in the morning. This is the way we stretch down low to your toes.